Hey everyone! Imagine you're trying to shift gears but your car suddenly hesitates or refuses to change gears smoothly. You check your obd2 scanner and it shows P0825 up and down shift switch circuit malfunction. This means your car's shift switch isn't communicating properly with the ECU, causing unpredictable gear changes. But don't worry, in this video we'll break down what P0825 means, its symptoms, causes, and most importantly, where to find the key sensors to fix it. Let's get started. What is P0825? The P0825 trouble code appears when the upshift-downshift switch circuit sends irregular or faulty signals to the ECU. This switch plays a crucial role in controlling manual and semi-automatic transmission shifting. Common symptoms of P0825: delayed or rough gear shifting, transmission stuck in one gear, check engine light turns on, unexpected engine stalling when shifting, and semi-automatic mode not working properly. If you're facing any of these issues, let's locate the shift switch and related sensors to diagnose the problem. Up and down shift switch located near the gear shifter assembly inside the center console or mounted on the transmission itself. It detects driver's gear shift inputs and sends signals to the ECU. Transmission Control Module, mounted on or near the transmission housing or under the dashboard. Clutch pedal position sensor, mounted near the clutch pedal, ensuring the clutch is fully engaged before shifting. Wiring harness runs between the shift switch, ECU and TCM, transferring electrical signals. Fuse and relay for shift circuit, found in the fuse box, providing power and preventing circuit overload. Common causes: faulty up-down shift switch, damaged or loose wiring, defective TCM, misaligned shift lever, or blown fuse and faulty relay. How to fix P0825. Check the shift switch with a multimeter, inspect the gear shifter assembly, examine wiring and connectors, scan the TCM for additional codes, test the fuse and relay, then clear the code and test drive to verify the fix. The P0825 code can cause serious shifting problems, but by diagnosing the shift switch, wiring, and transmission module, you can fix it easily. Watch these related videos next: P0516 and P0517. Battery temperature sensor codes. Like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more expert car diagnostics.